Hello, namaste, namaskaram, adab, vanakkam. Welcome to my kitchen, Bachelor's Bawarchi Kitchen. You are thinking what balls are they are? They are nothing but they are Lauki ka balls. It's made up of bottle gourd. So I'm gonna prepare one recipe with this today. It's a curry. It's a full meal course recipe. So you can take it with roti, pulka, chapati or rice, however you want. Today I'm gonna present you Lauki ka kofta. To know this recipe, please stay tuned to my channel and watch this complete recipe and try it from your end, and please give your feedback in the comment section. So let's not waste any more time and let's quickly dive into preparation of this Lauki ka kofta. Let's start preparing our Lauki ka kofta. To prepare Lauki ka kofta, let's first prepare the gravy. To prepare the gravy, I have already taken a pan over here. Into the pan, I have added around 1 tablespoon of oil. Into this 1 tablespoon of oil, I'm gonna add a bit of shajira, 1 cardamom, little bit of cumin, little bit of fennel seeds, 2 to 3 cloves, 2 peppercorns, 1 small cinnamon stick, little bit of turmeric powder, garlic cloves, ginger, and good amount of cashew, red chilli. So just give a stir. It's time to add the onions. We are going to make a nice paste of it, so that's the reason I have cut the onions in unevenly, so nothing to worry about it. Tomatoes. I have added 1 glass of water here. Cover with the lid and cook it for at least 5 to 10 minutes, so that tomatoes, onions and cashews will be nicely cooked in the water, and then we are going to cool it down and make a nice paste of it. While our gravy mixture is getting ready, we shall prepare our Lauki ka balls. What I have done is I have taken one long Lauki or bottle gourd and I have grated nicely in such a way and removed water from it, because you have to remove the water, because if you don't remove water, your balls are not going to come in good proper shape. So that's the reason I have squeezed out all the water, and don't waste that water. We are going to use in later cooking. Okay, so I have nicely made like mixture of like this. Into this I'm gonna add green chilies, 1/4 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/4 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, salt as required to the taste, and 2 tablespoons of besan. Basically I'm using besan because to give a nice bonding to the balls. So just mix it nicely. No need to add any water because already the Lauki has enough water and moisture in it. So no need to add any kind of water into this mixture. Just nicely mix it. Mix it nicely and make into small balls. So let's take a little bit of mixture into the hand. Just nicely make into balls. So this is how we are going to make all our lauki ka balls. So now let's fry them. Before fry them, let's check out our tomatoes and all the gravy which we are going to prepare, right? So let's see whether it's boiled or not. If you see, they are nicely boiled. It's time to off the stove and let it cool for at least 5 to 10 minutes, so that when you mix your in the grandy, it doesn't make any problem to you. Pan, I have taken oil and okay, my oil has been heated. Let me add the balls. Fry them until they are golden brown in color. Once they are golden brown in color, you can take out of the oil and okay, they are nicely fried. They are nicely golden brown in color. It's time to take out from the oil. So I'm taking out all my lauki ka balls into a paper towel so that all the oil will be absorbed. Even my gravy mixture has been nicely cooled down. I have taken the mixie jar, capping it up. Okay, I have nicely made into nice thick paste. See, it's nicely grinded. It's time to make our lauki ka gravy. My pan is heated and I have added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and pinch of butter into this. Let the oil heat and butter get heated. It's time to add our gravy into this thing. I'm taking a sieve here because this gives a nice velvety texture to our gravy. In the earlier I said you right, I have squeezed out the water from the lauki. So this is that water. I'm adding this water into the mixture so that I can take out all the pulp and adding this water into this again. See how silky it looks and how velvety it looks. It looks so smooth and so yummy. Add a required amount of salt. This I'm taking a nice thick curd. If you have a cream, you can use cream also. As I don't have cream, I am using curd here. But before adding curd into this, nicely beat the curd, or else you're gonna see curdles in the gravy, which is not good. So adding some kasturi methi, adding garam masala, there you go, our gravy is ready. It tasted very yummy. Now let's take into serving bowl and add the lauki balls into that. There you go, our lauki ka kofta is ready. And just one tip over here, just add the lauki ka balls before you're serving the gravy or the curry. If you just add them directly, they might become soggy by taking all the moisture from the gravy. So just what you can do is you can prepare your lauki ka balls and keep it aside, and while you're serving you can just add the balls into that so that they have some crispiness in that. So that is one note. So there you go, I present my lauki ka kofta. So if you like this recipe, try this from your end and give your feedback in the comment section. And if you like my recipes, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to get many other notifications from my channel. So I wish you enjoy this recipe. So I'll be coming soon with a different recipe, and until then, bye bye, tata, kudafis.